Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and here's everything you need to know about the Legend Vinyl LV7 Complete Care Vinyl Cleaning Kit. The LV7 is a complete vinyl record and stylus cleaning kit. It's ideal for people who want to maintain the quality of their vinyl records and ensure their collection lasts a lifetime. Let's dive a bit deeper into the features of this record cleaning kit. It has a specialist vinyl cleaning solution, which means it can safely and effectively clean your records without damaging them. It comes with a microfiber anti-static cleaning cloth, which allows you to remove dust and static from your vinyl, ensuring a better sound quality and less wear on your stylus. It includes a stylus cleaning brush, which helps you maintain the stylus, preventing any buildup of dust and grime that could affect playback quality. The kit also comes with a protective storage box, so you can keep all your cleaning tools organised and safe when not in use. Included in the box with the Legend Vinyl LV7 cleaning kit, you're going to get one vinyl cleaning solution, one microfiber anti-static cloth, a thin microfiber cloth, one velvet record brush, a stylus cleaning solution, one stylus cleaning brush, and one storage box. Thank you for watching our overview of the Legend Vinyl LV7 Record Cleaning Kit. This kit is perfect for any vinyl enthusiast who wants to keep their collection in top condition with minimal effort. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave a comment below or contact one of our audio experts. You can find the kit on our website at kbaudio.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos.